Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Have you watched my quick overview video? If you haven't yet, I recommend watching it first. The link's in the description. So, e. This character consists of two strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this little diagonal dot. Remember, in hiragana, there are three ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a stop at the end. The second stroke is this one. Looking a little complex, right? I know. It starts from the left and goes to the right, then it curves down to the left. And it curves back up to the right. And finally, this little curved line with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1 and 2. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page. The link's in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。